Today I bought a new pants. It's I guess one of a little bit expensive on the Guess. So I have Guess jewelry. I have Guess pants. It sells today. So that's the price there. It's sale. So it's not bad. So this is my new pants. It's because I've been losing lots of weight. So I'm only size, where is the size? Size 28. Size 28. I used to be a 33, 34. Now I'm size 28. So I've been losing a lot of the weight. So I'm not regret. I'm happy. But I keep buying very much every week. Every week, it's a new clothes, new belt, new shoes, new bra, new underwear. Very much a new everything. So this is only my update for you guys. Malaki ang inano ko, binawas ko sa katawan ko. Yan ang product ng mga paborito ko na mga pantalon, mga paborito ko mga Levi's, ganyan. So mayroon din akong nabili ng Levi's ng isang linggo. So go on the Just Jeans and you can buy this product. Guess. It's a little bit expensive, but it's worth it. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much.